Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia Tigray crisis is that because many news sources are claiming that a furious fighting is continue in many areas of Tigray region. Because the Tigray forces claiming that they attacked the Ethiopian army and the Eritrean army at Antico, Addis Salim, Ganta Fusium, Silihalika, and many other areas of Tigray region. Because these cities are in the area of Tigray region between Shaire and Adigaret. Viewers, in previous video, I inform you that a big war is continue in many areas of Tigray region. And in this video, I inform you that Tigray forces claim that just 2 days ago they killed many Eritrean troops and burned their vehicles and tanks and many captured in Tigray region. Viewers, and now today Tigray forces claiming that they had been killed more than 630 Ethiopian and Eritrean troops in the fighting in many areas of Tigray region, and that tanks and cars had been set on fire. Viewers, a reliable source has confirmed that this news is true, and still a heavy battle between Adwa, Adigaret, and many areas of Tigray region. Viewers, many pictures shared on social media about the tanks and vehicles burning from Tigray forces, and they claims that Eritrean troops still present in Tigray region. Viewers, yesterday in an interview with Tigray Media House, Tigray People Liberation Front spokesman Getachew Reda claimed that we cannot trust on the statement of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed about Eritrean troops leaving the Tigray region. Because he said that Eritrean troops still present in Tigray region, they just changed their Eritrean military uniform to Ethiopian military uniform. Viewers, and he said that more Eritrean troops entered in Tigray region in Ethiopian military uniform. And viewers, now the latest news is that Tigray fighters claiming that they again killed more than 630 Ethiopian and Eritrean troops in the fighting in many areas of Tigray region, and that tanks and cars had been set on fire, and now a big fighting continue in many areas of Tigray region between Tigray fighters, Ethiopian army, and Eritrean forces. So viewers, this is the latest news about Ethiopia Tigray crisis. Thanks for watching.